Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Oblivion Remastered fatal error crashing. So most of you experience this fatal error crashing within 20 to 30 minutes of gameplay in certain regions of the map. Now, here's some fix you need to do. Now, it improved the stability massively for him was to switch to FSR plus FSR frame generation. The game is way more stable now, and crashes still happens but only once every hour or two. Now here is his current settings. You may copy it, but you may change this one since we all don't have a 4K monitor. Now some of the fixes here that help others like this one. So the crash is caused by one of the NVIDIA's .dll file. So simply go here on this, simply search this on your file manager and delete or rename the file sl.pcl.dll. Then the game will start up normally. And that simply fix it. And that's basically it.